Hello! Welcome to the Litos family, consisting Miguelito, Roquelito, Babelito. What? Shashilito. Look at ate. What are you doing there? Shashilito. Mawi. Saan man ka mawi? Mawilito. Mawi man kang mawi. Mawi. Oh my God. Hi guys. Long time no see. But now see no. I'm gonna be vlogging today. Just like yesterday. But I'm not sure if I'm going to upload this. I don't have a computer. Dusyo. I wanted to upload videos because nagbago na yung policy ng ng YouTube partner. You need to I don't know if it's the same with everybody else, but for me some said that you need to have 10,000 views total for the last, I don't know, para to activate your AdSense. Yeah, but that goes for kuan ra oy mga gagmay na YouTuber. But kung dago ka nga YouTuber, of course, if malaki ka ng YouTuber, and you will not worry about it because there will be a lot of people watching you. But for me, I'm always, come and go on my YouTube. I'm crazy, that's why. So from my email, it says there that for the last, I don't know, for the last ilang months ba yung sabi nila, but that I haven't uploaded videos that daw. So yeah, I know mga last October yata yung last video ko. So yeah, I'm not so sure. So yun, and I need to like acquire 4,000 views total. It doesn't matter kung, for example, in that particular video I need to have 4,000 views. No, it's not gonna be like that. Total yung basta total dayon. Then yun kasi hindi na ako nag-upload. So I'm planning to upload I don't know if maybe longer. So for example, if I have a video that has 10 minutes, in order for me to reach 4,000 views, is that in every video I should have, or in that video I need to have 4,000 hours daw. 4,000 hours, not views. Some said that you need 10,000 views daw in order to reactivate your AdSense. But on my case, I don't know with other people, but on my email, from what I read from my email, I need to acquire 4,000 hours total. Yeah, if you have 10-minute video, then all you need to do is to have 100 views, diba, for that 10-minute video, para yung total would be 4,000 hours, diba? 100 times 10. Oh no, dili uy. Mo ba? 4,000? I don't know, I'm crazy. No. Pila man, 4 times 10. Pila ka? 4 times 10 equals 40. Dapat ko 400. Oh. Yeah, 400. 400 pala, 400 views pala. Well, let's see. Oh my God, I'm just chilling. We have a new puppy. Nandoon si Miguelito. That's why I'm singing that song, Miguelito. Tapos si Maui is outside because we cannot handle Maui anymore. He is too heavy, and every time I let him go out to wee and poo, it is so hard kasi nagja-jump siya at nagbabite siya. That's why he is stuck outside. So yun. Hala, grabe oh, 4 minutes na ko nagyaw-yaw. Oh my god. This is just a pain in the butt to edit. So, yun lang guys. Update. I don't know if I'm going to upload this, but let's see. You'll be going to church, by the way. So, yeah. See you later. Bye. Hi, Wee. That is Maui. That is Maui. Hi, Wee. Say hi. Maui. Maui. Andito na. Andito na sila. Bye-bye, Wee. Where is Maui? Bye-bye. Lagi na lang ako. It is always me. Magsasarado ng gate, guys. Bye. Hi, guys. They are here. Our beautiful driver. Ha? Hansa ba? Hansa ba sulti ba?
You go live.
Go live sa asa.
Phone band na, di ba?
FB? Wow, my skin looks so beautiful in the camera, but in the real life, yeah, I have a lot of. Oh my God, it's so good. We're on our way to church, and it's still early. We'll be attending the 4 o'clock mass. Ano ba? Anong sabi mo ba? Hi, Shi. That's Sachi. That's Baba Beam. Hi, Beam. That's Rookie Beam. Oh, Rookie Beam. Rookie Lito. Oh my God, I'm getting crazy. I don't know what to say in my vlog. But, I know. Dodge daw, Dodge. Kumusta naman yung mga Dodge namin doon. Sana papalibangin. Papalibangin.
Dodge.
Papalibangin nila. Naiwan ang mga goers sa bahay. So, hopefully, they will let the puppies poo and pee. Poo and pee. Will not forget it. Diba? Diba ba? Because Baba's not gone. Baba is assigned to let Miguel
Baba is not around.
pee and poo-poo. But Baba is not with Miguel. Because Baba is the mother of Miguel. Dad. She said she wanted to be the mother, so I'm the grandmother. Ate is the
Auntie.
Tato kate. Ikaw grandfather. Oh my God, I don't know what to say, guys, but I miss you all, and I hopefully I will be continuing, posting videos on YouTube because I really like talking a lot. Just like talking in the mirror, diba? If you experienced that when you are still little. Hala, ang daming baboy coming. Oh, doon. Pigs. Yeah, pigs. Kawawa naman yung baboy. I think they will be pang lechon. Oh my God. So, see you later. Bye. I'm gonna eat this chicken. Baba is eating. Sanay mo ba? Double cheeseburger. Dali. Oh. We are here. Nandito kami sa Burger King and ate is going to eat chicken. Kumain na pala si ate ng chicken sa Burger King for the first time in forever. Diba, Tweet?
For the first time,
Diri? Ikaon na day ka diri. Wa pa man. Le, kay ka. Atikon ka ka sa ate. Atikon ka sa
Account na
ate.
din siya ba?
wala sa.
Dari, Ano ba eh?
It's crazy.
Wala naman po. Uli naman ka, mga on pa gaita. Ano ba tagkaon? Sa pagalo-ano, debate.
Nagagalitan na ito sa
Ay ate, wala na video ganina.